Welcome to our new and improved home. Day 2 of renovations. It's Labor Day. We're kind of clearing out the front yard, like cutting the limbs down. Good work, guys! We're attempting to take this tree down without taking the house down with it, right? So, this is our kitchen. We were really going for like a modern farmhouse feel, so we went with the black and white theme. So this is our living room. This area is really nice for entertaining because there's so much extra space. And I really like the natural light that all these windows bring in here. For the guest bathroom and bedroom, we mostly just did cosmetic changes. And then the other spare bedroom we turned into an office. We also added on a laundry room that was not there before, and I'm so glad we did that because that little space is just really nice. And last but not least, our master bedroom. And we made quite a few changes. We did take out those closets that were over there before. And we added on to the bathroom to make it a little bit bigger. And then put a walk-in closet through the bathroom. It has been so much fun putting our ideas together and just making this house into a home. And it's really nice to have a place to call our own now. Other than a little bit more decorating, the inside of our house is pretty much done. And next spring, we plan to finish up our landscaping and possibly add on a back deck. But I want to thank you so much for following along on our house renovations. It's been a lot of fun and it's been a long haul, but I am so happy and so grateful to be